Bonds of Love, Part 2. Three of them played various games on the cart. So various means, student, here different games. Different games. Cot means special bed. The cat fondled and cuddled. The cat fondled and cuddled them. It means the cat loved and they hugged between them. How they jumped on and over their mom, tried to outdo each other in getting their mom's love and milk. It means the three, the cat and their kittens, they were playing very fondly and they hugged each other and they are trying to drink the mother's milk so that they are jumped over each other. Sumit, don't go near the cat. Who is saying this line? Sumit, the writer. The mom is saying to Sumit, Sumit, you don't go near the cat. Let her feed the little ones. Yes, the little ones, they looked exactly like my little brother, whom mom feeds the whole day. So, writer is saying, my mother warned me, do not go to the cat because it's time for feeding the milk. Next, Papa, the kittens were looking out for you. They want you to come and play with them. I said eagerly. The writer said eagerly, Papa, the kitten, they are looking. They are looking at they wanted to play with you. Looking means they wanted to play with you. So Papa, you should must go there and you should join with the kitten and play. Then Papa smiled and got a bowl of milk for the cat. So what did father do? Papa took a bowl of milk for the cat. It was a party time for them. Three of them finished the blink within a blink of an eye. Means instantly. You can say in a second they three finished the milk that brought by his father. Thrice a day the bowl was filled. It means in a day three times that bowl was filled for the cat. The cat and the kitten were no more afraid of us, yes, because the cat family and the writer's family, they were fond each other and they are very fondly each other, so that there was no reason to the fear between the kitten family or between the kitten's cat family or between the writer's family. The white kitten was healthy, yes, the white kitten was healthy, but the black one did not grow much. Most of the time I found it lying quietly, yes. The black kitten named Kitty. It was very lifeless, you can say. Even it was very weak most of the time. The writer noticed that Kitty was lying quietly because for the unhealthiness or because for the weakness. The white kitten, whom I called Witty, so what is the name of white kitten? Witty, was always coaxing the black kitty to play. So coaxing means persuading. It means that motivating to the play. The white kitten always active and it persuading and it motivated to the black kitty to play. Half-heartedly it would get up, but it was listless. Half-heartedly it means unwillingly. That black kitty was feeling very unhealthy or very weak, so that it would get up, but half-heartedly. I think the black one is weak and sick. The writer think that black one is weak and sick, will not able to survive, said Bappa. So Bappa is saying that I think that black kitty it cannot be survive in this surrounding or in this environment. I don't want the kitten to die in my house. But Papa did not want that kitten will die in my house. Mommy expressed her anguish. Anguish means pain or sorrowful manner, sadness that you can say. Can we take it to the veterinary doctor? Asked Sunil. Who is Sunil? The writer's little brother. Can you take it to the veterinary doctor? Veterinary doctor means the animal doctor. Okay, so doctor for the animal. I have thought of the something else, said Papa gravely. Papa also said in sorrowful manner, yes, I have also thinking same thing. We should take to the doctor. Next one. Next day, a huge truck with four men stopped in front of our house. So, in the next day, a huge truck means huge means big truck. What? It's a big truck with four men stopped in front of ours. The yellow truck with mesh door. So, what is the color of truck? Yellow. Mesh means you can say net. N-E-T. Net. You can say in Hindi jali, had people for animal painted on it. People for animals had been called in so that they could take away the cat and her kittens. It means the four men they were coming to take the cat family. Yes, so it is a sorrowful incident for the writer also. A tall man with stubble. A tall man with a stubble. So here stubble means short growth of unshaved hair. Short growth of unshaved hair already mentioned in your book jumped out of the truck first. So first a short growth of unshaven hair man he jumped out from the truck followed by a short plump frail looking lad of 20 with a trap made of thin iron rods. Very simple. So, followed by a short, it means after a tall man, there was a short man also. They followed the tall man. They followed means that only one man, not they, you can say he. He followed the tall man and he was looking plump, means very healthy, golumolu or healthy roundy friendly looking lad. Lad means here students boy of 20 means 20 years old age with a trap. Trap means there is a trap pinjra made of thin iron rod. It means that trap had been made by iron rods. Thin iron rods, very thin, not fat. Yaman kept this trap in the backyard. Yaman, who is the Yaman? That short, plump, 20 years lad. It means 20 years boy. His name was Yaman. Keep this trap in the backyard. Who is saying this line? This line was saying by the tall man. Called out the tall fellow. Yes. Then turning to my papa, he said, it means the tall man looked to the father and said, sir, arrange for a sucker of milk. Yes, the tall man said to my father, please arrange some milk for the cat that filled the bowl kept especially for Kitty and Wheat. So listen to them. My dad filled the milk and filled the milk of bowl and put in front of the Witty and Kitty. As he kept it in the trap, his face was grim. It means face was very that face was in fearful manner. He was thought, is it for the last time? He was thought means who is that tall man? His expression seems to say, the tall man expression seemed to say, that tall man was thinking, this is the last time. Yaman opened the door of that iron cage. The tall man said to the Yaman, Yaman, you opened the door of that iron cage called trap. So Yaman opened the door, and then both of the men moved out back to the truck. Then both of the men means the tall man and the plump and short shaved hair man. They both came back from the cage. They both came back from the trap. So this is the part 2, and we'll discuss part 3 tomorrow. Okay, students? So please see this video and share your comments. If any doubt, then please come to me for discussion. Thank you.